Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Chomin Ortiz and this is my final project of CS50 Introduction to Programming with Python. This time I decided to implement it like a game. Now let's see how this works in terminal. So I open CS50 dev and I execute python project.py, which is the name of my project. And as you can see, welcome message is printed in the screen with the title like a game, and it asks the user for the name. This time I will type my name, and then it asks how much money will you like to change. So let's try to input 200, and then it prompts the user for their bet, for their initial hand. If I type a bigger number, the program won't let me and will print error message. It will say you don't have enough money and will remember me my balance. So now let's try and input a valid input. I type 10 and now the game starts. I can see the dealer's hand. In this case, he got a 7, which is the first card. I can see the second one because it's turned down. And it asks me, well, it shows the player's hand. This time I got an 8. And I can say if I want to hit, stay, double, or surrender by typing one of numbers. This time I would like to hit. Now I get an 11, which is very good. And this time I would like double, which is a really good move. So I type 3. I got lucky and got 21, which is the best possible hand you can get. And now I can see what the dealer got every time he hit. The first time he started with 11 with 2 cards, 14, 15, and 19, as you can see. Then it shows me how I win on that hand, which was my bet. So in this case, I bet 20, I win 20, and it prints the new balance. After that, I can decide if I want to continue playing by typing 1 or if I want to exit by typing 2. So let's continue playing and type 1. Then it asks again for the bet of this hand. So this time I try and input 10. The game restarts. I can see the dealer hand. He got a 3. And I got 2 kings. When you get 2 cards of the same value, you get any option, which is split. So to try it out, this time I will split by typing 5. So, well, as you can see, I type 5. Now, well, I got another chance to split, but I will stay because honestly, 20 is a very good hand. So I type 2 because this time I would like to stay. And on my second hand, I got 13. I will stay just to keep it simple. And, well, you can see that the dealer got 17. Well, in my first hand, I win because I got a 20 and the leader got 17. And, well, the balance prints it's now 230 because I win. But in my second hand, I lose 10. So I got 220, right? And, well, I will continue playing. Now I type 1. The program will prompt me again for my bet. I type 40. And this time, well, I got a 16 and I will try to double. When I double, my bet is duplicated. The program also checks that you have the right amount of money in your balance. So, well, I double, I lose, and, well, this time my balance is 140. So, because the deer got a 21, that was unlucky. But, well, let's continue playing. I'll type 1. Will prompt me again for the bet. This time I put 50. I got 13, and maybe this time I would like to surrender to test that function out. So I'll type 4. I will lose automatically, but only half of my bet, so 25. And as you can see, I lose 25. My balance now is 115, and, well, it showed me the dealer's hand, right? So, well, now let's try exiting the program because I'm already done. I'm happy I lost enough. Well, that's when my final break of CS50.